Hi buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can customize the frames per second on your Motorola Moto G73 5G. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to display and go down to display refresh rate. Right now it's set to auto, so smart optimization up to 120. You can also set it to 60, smooth but lower battery consumption, or 120, smoother, higher battery consumption. A higher display refresh rate allows for smoother viewing but drains the battery faster. Refresh rate is capped at 60 in battery saver mode. So we'll set it to 60 and go back and scroll up and down, and then we'll go and set it to 120 and scroll up and down, and I think it's a bit smoother, but I could also imagine that. I think the best way is to set it to auto, so then your phone decides for itself what display refresh rate it needs. But if you want to go ahead and set it to either 60 or 120, that's totally fine as well, of course. So if you make your settings here, you can just go back and then, well, use your phone as normal. So that's how you can customize the frames per second on your Motorola Moto G73 5G. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.